we'll guide you through how to delete temporary files in Windows 11 and 10. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. It is super useful to go and do to free up some space in your Windows drive. So to do that, just go and click on Search from the taskbar. Type Run and open this command. Now just type %temp, again %, and hit Enter or OK. These are the temporary files stored in your Windows drive. Just go and press Ctrl+A to select all, right-click on these files, and choose Delete. You can also delete these by simply clicking the Delete button from the keyboard. After the process completes, now open the Recycle bin from your desktop. Click on this icon and confirm to permanently delete these temporary files. Another method we can use to delete temporary files involves Windows' built-in Disk Cleanup tool. Just go and search Disk Cleanup in the search bar and open it from above. Now choose the drive you want to clean and press OK. It will start calculating and a new pop-up window will appear. You can again click on this button that says Clean Up System Files and select your preferred drive so the tool can properly search for temporary files. You can select all of these files and click on OK to permanently delete them. Windows 11 settings also have an option to remove these files. Go to the bottom of your screen and open the Start menu, and now choose Settings from above. From the left panel, go to System and select Storage. Windows will now calculate and show you the temporary files. Click on Temporary Files, select all of these folders, and just click on the Remove Files button from above to confirm and delete these files. Now, for long-term usage, if you don't want to manually delete recycle bin files again and again in Windows, I suggest you turn on Storage Sense, which will automatically delete these files for you. To do that, simply click on System again from the settings and open Storage Options. Make sure Storage Sense is turned on, and also click to open these settings. You can easily set the durations from here. Now Windows will automatically keep emptying the recycle bin according to your selected duration. And that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.